Why is the Airbus A380 so unprofitable? Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into one of aviation's most iconic aircraft, the Airbus A380. Despite its grandeur and technological marvel, it's faced significant financial struggles. So, why is the A380 so unprofitable? Let's break it down. The A380, introduced in 2007, was designed to tackle the issue of airport congestion with its impressive capacity of up to 850 passengers. But this very size has become a double-edged sword. Firstly, the demand for such a large aircraft has been lower than anticipated. Airlines often prefer smaller, more versatile planes that can fly a wider range of routes and offer greater flexibility. Secondly, the A380's operating costs are significantly high. It consumes a lot of fuel and requires a large crew, making it expensive to run compared to newer, more efficient aircraft. Additionally, the A380's size limits its route options. Many airports can't accommodate its large wingspan, and the need for larger passenger volumes on each flight limits its attractiveness to airlines. Finally, the global pandemic significantly impacted air travel. The demand for such large aircraft plummeted, forcing Airbus to halt production of the A380 in 2021. So, while the Airbus A380 remains a marvel of engineering and a symbol of luxury air travel, its high costs, limited flexibility, and changing market demands have made it challenging to operate profitably. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insights into the world of aviation. See you in the next video.